Adding a Buy Now button on Shopify product pages can significantly enhance the shopping experience and increase conversions. To get started, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the product page where you want to add the button. First, click on the Customize Theme button in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the theme editor where you can make changes to your store's layout and design. In the theme editor, click on the product page template to access the settings for that specific page. Next, click on the Add Section button and search for the Buy Now button section. If you cannot find this section, you may need to add it manually by clicking on the Add Custom Section button. Once you have added the section, you can customize its appearance by changing the button text, color, and style to match your store's branding. To make the Buy Now button functional, you need to add a link to the product's checkout page. You can do this by clicking on the link button and selecting the product from the drop-down menu. Make sure to test the button to ensure it is working correctly and taking customers directly to the checkout page. Best practices for using the Buy Now button on Shopify product pages include placing it prominently above the fold, using clear and concise language, and ensuring it is mobile-friendly. You should also consider adding a sense of urgency to the button, such as limited time offers or scarcity messaging, to encourage customers to make a purchase. Finally, monitor the performance of the Buy Now button using Shopify's analytics tool to see how it is impacting conversions and sales. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively add a Buy Now button to your Shopify product pages and improve the overall shopping experience for your customers.